please welcome palakpakan natin, Banda Dos, Taytay Rizal! Siguro quick photo lang para sa ating mga friends of the press, para meron agad silang ma-post sa ating social media. Again, please don't forget to use our official hashtag MGP Grand Homecoming. Okay. Tingin daw po muna dito sa side naman na to. Dito naman sa side na to. Ayan. And on the other side naman daw po. We'll have more photo opportunities later. Upo na tayo. Have a seat. Inay! Good to see you! Utang ka sa akin. Dito na tayo. Eto na. Belle, hello! Hi, kamusta lahat?
Hi everyone! Hello po! Good evening. Thank you so much for joining us, and to everyone na nanonood sa amin sa live. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Yes, good evening everyone, and thank you for joining us today. And sana po, panoorin natin ang pelikula Meet, Greet, and Buy coming on November 12. Thank you so much.
Juan Carlos?
Hello, hi, Juan Carlos nga pala.
Bait Naya, bait.
Ayun po, bitin pa yun doon po ako.
Wow! Alright, kwentuhan tayo.
Ako pa.
Huwag kang kabahan, masaya lang to.
Ang daming tao.
Ang dami. They're all excited to hear about your movie. But also joining us today are creators ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. That's calling our writers, Jumbo Albano and Patrick Valencia. Tatlo tayo marching band din eh.
Bieber.
Ano yun, Belle? Saan nagaling yun? Okay. Also, will be joining us... mamaya pa. Okay. Mamaya surprise tayo. Kasi kulang eh. Kailangan may kasama pang dalawa eh, di ba? Pero mamaya ating na-try habulin yung ating mga kasama. But would also like to acknowledge na sasalamin na. Gusto na, hindi na kaya. The presence of our VIPs, syempre, Sir Chris Gasman, Miss Zell Samson Martinez, Rai Quintanar, and the lovely Carmi Raimundo. My lovely. Nico Del Rosario is also here. Grabe, full support, full force. Tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Okay, how does it feel to be here? Kaya ako tinanong yun, kasi huling bisita ko sa inyo, doon sa set, sinabi nyo sa akin, doon pa lang nagsesepax na kayo. Nagkakaroon na kayo ng separation anxiety. How does it feel to be here now doing this press conference, Belle?
Well, kanina, we did a fan meet. Grabe, we got so emotional. You know, that moment, I just felt the presence of everyone. I felt the presence of Pamilya Facundo. And now that we're here doing the press con, it makes me more excited for November 12.
Nay.
Ako kasi, iba na yung experience ko dito sa Dolphy Theater. The last time nandito ko, kasama ko yung daddy ko. Nandito ayun, duro niya dito ginawa. Kaya pagbalik ko, pabalaki ko ngayon. Kaya parang flashback ako. Oo. Pero, natutuwa ako na dito kami ngayon ng mga anak.
Grabe yung attachment sa'yo ni Belle eh. Parang anak mo na eh, no?
Anak ko sila.
Diba?
Anak ko na sila.
Piolo, welcome back to Star Cinema. You're home coming.
Yeah, after 8 years, I'm just really excited to be back home.
When was the last?
8 years ago.
Last night?
Last night, yeah.
Wow.
Ngayon, new night. New night.
Saan nagkakaroon yung new night? Ang sarap, homecoming.
Yes, it's nice to be back. Your first love, your first family, and of course ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for that matter. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na uuwi ka sa pamilya talaga na nagpalaki sa'yo, na nagbigay sa'yo ng break at the same time. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na nakabuo ka ng isang pamilya within the shoot sa shoot namin. At yun ang talagang regalo namin sa mga tao. Itong pelikula na ginawa namin na pinaghirapan for so many months, and it's just really excited because you know, when it comes to family dramas, when it comes to films like this, ang mapagkakatiwalaan talaga natin Star Cinema.
So, speaking of going back, Inay, welcome back ulit. So, isa pa tanong, ano yung last mo? Chris, last ni Inay. T2! Girl boy, bakla, tomboy! Alam na mga fans. Diba? Documented yan. With Vice Ganda.
Mahirap din.
Diba? Isang JK naman, your first movie with Star Cinema. Tama ba?
Yeah, yes it is.
First movie, bongga ka agad.
Hindi ba ako? No, actually, again, hi everyone. I want to go back to the question earlier kasi the last time we were together as well, andun tayo sa location. Tapos, as you very well know, nagkakapambahay na kami. And we felt at home. Talagang hanggang ngayon, ramdam ko yung sepangs kasi going on set was one of those things that I was looking forward to doing. Pag malalaman namin na, oh, may taping, kasi ang saya lang namin. Ang saya lang namin sa set. So, nakakamiss, pero sana hindi ito yung ulit yung pagkasama ng pamilya Pamundo.
Wow!
Narinig mo yung arms, ha?
Sana dinig daw. Dinig. Okay. Meron tayong gift sa kanilang lahat. It's time to watch the official trailer of this movie. Mga kapamilya, this is the official trailer of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Why should we watch it? But your message na lang to everybody as we anticipate itong Meet, Greet, and Buy in theaters this November.
Okay, iniimbitahan po namin ang lahat kayo na manood ng Meet, Greet, and Buy sa mga sinihan worldwide beginning November 12. It's our early Christmas gift for everybody. Dalhin po natin ang ating pamilya, barkada, jowa, lahat po pwede. At magdadala po ng tissue. Kasi kita nyo naman po, hindi pa po pinapalabas, nag-iiyakan na po. So yun po.
Una po, salamat po lahat sa pumunta dito at sa mga nanonood po sa amin. We're inviting you to watch Meet, Greet, and Buy in cinemas worldwide on November 12. Para sa inyong lahat po ito. Maraming salamat po.
Wait lang, Bel. Bago ka mag-thank you, we just want to remind everybody para sa mga nag-open ng BDO account at nag-download ng BDO Pay. Ito na ang may mga winners tayo ng 1,000 worth of SMGCs from BDO. Congratulations! At huwag kalimutan pang-scan to pay o pang-withdraw via QR. Gamitin natin yung BDO Pay app. And at this point, gusto natin pasalamatan ng BDO Pay, which makes everyday payments more convenient with its QR transactions. Just scan to pay lang para magbayad in stores, para di na kailangan mag-cash in. Piliin lang ang BDO account or credit card para mag-transact. You can also make cash withdrawals even without your ATM card. Mag-generate lang ng QR code sa BDO Pay na pwedeng gamitin para mag-withdraw sa QR-enabled BDO ATM nationwide. Para naman sa ating mga kababayan OFW, isang remit lang po sa inyong kabayan savings at libre na ang mga susunod niyong send money at pay bills transactions. Pwede rin ma-monitor ang balance ng account anytime sa BDO Pay app. Kaya download na po ng BDO Pay. And PJ, Pasalamatan mo na ang iyong
Yes.
mga sponsors.
I'd like to make special mention of my video family. Thank you, Miss Bini. Thank you guys for my video pay family. It makes banking so easy, so accessible, and that's what we always stand for, the accessibility, and for sure, para po sa ating mga kababayan, not just here, but also abroad. We'd like to also thank Bello, of course, Miguelitos, Ice Cream, P Donuts, Plemex, QT, Green Stevia for sponsoring and giving us loot bags. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at pati sa pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Bell?
Yes po.
Solid friends now. Maraming salamat. I love you guys. I love you guys.
Yes po, of course, nandito ang video family namin. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po. And of course, to my Duncan family, anytime is Duncan time. Kakakain ko lang ng Duncan kanina. Nakadalawa po ako. Met, of course, my Met family, Juicy, Sanicare. Thank you po sa tissue nyo. Kailangan po namin nandito. Maraming salamat.
Magbibigay ba kayo ng tissue sa ano?
Meron po ba?
Meron!
Yan, okay. Kumit na.
Of course, to my close-up family, thank you so much. And B. Jewelry, maraming salamat po.
Juan Carlos?
Actually, kanina yung lunch namin. Lunch ko, KFC, thank you so much. Marami yung kinain twister. Straight Fragrances, shoutout na rin para sa video. Hi!
Nagpaparinig! Iba kasi may boy, ah.
It makes banking easy.
Para-paraan, JK.
I always find ways pa.
We'd also like to thank our partners for making this event possible. Ang Taho Story Mirandas, Puto Bumbong, MB Bingka, Happy Manila Bao, Ice Scramble, Pink Pink Lechon, Good Dough by Mariah Grazing Table, and Hank's Cafe. Ayan! Okay, ito na. Invite na natin silang lahat to catch, meet, greet, and buy. We start with them.
Ayan po, unang-una actually, I want to thank you MJ. Thank you so much for doing this. Of course, I want to thank my Star Cinema family. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. It's such a beautiful story. Salamat po sa ating creatives for allowing us to know the message of this story. Napakaganda po. And to my castmates, maraming salamat. Hindi ba ito goodbye? Pero madami ba tayo pagsasamahan?
There's never
goodbye sa pamilyang Pahundo. And of course, sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin dito, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much for joining us. Kaninang fan meet, maraming salamat din po. And sa lahat na nanonood sa atin ngayon live, thank you so much po sa dito for joining us. And nandito pa rin po kayo, maraming salamat po. Ayan po, November 12.
And your family sa Shein.
Yes, of course! My Shein family, thank you so much! And maraming salamat din po sa Unilab. Ayun nga po. And sa lahat ng nanonood sa atin ngayon, thank you so much for joining us. Ayun po, November 12 po, abangan po natin ang storya ng mga Pahundo, meet, greet, and buy.
Juan Carlos?
I love you na.
Ayun po, thank you so much again everyone sa lahat na pumunta dito, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng production, ng crew. Star Cinema, thank you for this project. I appreciate you guys. Next time ulit. Ano ba?
Alam mo, ito si yung
makukuha this night.
Alam mo niya nga, ang daming segue ni Nag-networking ka ha? Press con to eh.
Turtle.
Okay.
Pero ayun nga, sana magustuhan po ninyo. Actually, magugustuhan nyo to. Hindi ko nag-aalala. Ako na-decide. Thank you so much sa inyo lahat. MJ, thank you. And to my family, love you. November 12, meet and greet and buy. Meet, greet and buy. Ayun, kita-kits tayo.
And of course, Yellow Squad.
Love you too. Maraming salamat sa Star Cinema for always coming up with projects and talagang aantig sa puso natin. Of course, we have the creatives here. Thank you guys. Marami pa tayong papaluhain. Marami pa tayong magagawa. And of course, sa marketing. Miko, maraming salamat. And of course, we also have ABS International here. And good news because Simon, ipapalabas po kami sa iba't ibang bansa worldwide. So watch out for that because it's going to be showing the same week as we're showing in the Philippines para po sa ating mga kababayan abroad. sabihin niyo lang po sila kasi papalabas po tayo sa maraming bansa simultaneously while we're showing in the Philippines. Panoorin niyo yung sariling ate. Huwag niyo nang panoorin yung Weekend. Panoorin yung Meet, Greet, and Buy. A film by Direct Ate Garcia. And we'd also like to say happy birthday to our other brother, Joshua Garcia, na nagpapakasyon po ngayon. Napakagaling po niya dito. So maraming salamat po sa inyo pong lahat. And thank you so much. And huwag niyo kalimutan magdala ng bimpo, lampe, tuwalya. Huwag kayo mag-makeup kasi masisira yung makeup niyo pagka lumabas kayo.
Waterproof mas
And bring your mama, bring your loved ones, man. Hindi po kayo magsisisi pag pinanood niyo ito. At yun lang, lagi tayo magpasalamat at mahalin natin ang pamilya natin. Always say, I love you, your loved ones. God bless you.
Thank you, DJ. And of course, Inay.
Ako naman, gusto ko kayo at yung mga nanonood kayo sa kanilang mga bahay, gusto ko po kayo imbitahin na panoodin yung itong pelikula namin dahil magandang po talaga ito at sigurado ako na maibigan ninyo. Sana imbitahin nyo yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay, nanay nyo, ang tatay nyo, yung gano'n, mga anak, o diba? Mga kapatid, ayan. Imbitahin niyo po, pag-gustuhan nila na itong pelikula na to. At syempre, maraming salamat kay Direk Cathy. Hi, Direk! Naku, nasaan ka na ba? Nasa hipapamit ka pa ba? Direk, ikaw lang kulang dito, tsaka si Joshua. Ano ba? Ba't wala kayo? Namiss na namin kayo. Oh, bless kami lahat. Bless kami lahat. Totoo.
Blessed din kami. Dahil ginawa niyo itong Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Oh.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin the cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. And our creators. Let's have a photo op again, please. Can we invite our cast and creators dito sa gitna?